Welcome to my YouTube channel Biology Classroom. Today's topic is about eukaryotic cell. So what do you mean by eukaryotic cell? Eu means true and karyon mean nucleus. So eukaryotic cell has true nuclear membrane or nuclear envelope. So what is present inside this cell? First come plasma membrane. Plasma membrane or cell membrane, this is also called plasma lemma. This membrane separates the extracellular fluid and intracellular fluid of a cell. Next basically comes the cytoplasm, which is a jelly-like material formed by 80% of water, and this part is divided into ectoplasm and endoplasm. Next basically we will see nucleus. Nucleus is the largest cell organelle, control all the cell activities that include metabolism, protein synthesis, growth and reproduction. That means cell division. Next comes nucleolus. Nucleolus contain RNA and some proteins. Next the point is cytoplasm. The cytoplasm contains all the organelles that is called cytoplasmic organelles. So the organelles are like cytoskeleton. It determines the shape of the cell and gives support to the cell. Rough endoplasmic reticulum, another organelle is it is also cytoplasmic organelles. It is actually an ear. Endoplasmic reticulum with rough, bumpy or bead-like appearance. Rough appearance is due to the attachment of granular ribosomes to the outer surface. Function: the synthesis of protein. Next comes smooth endoplasmic reticulum. It is the endoplasmic reticulum with smooth appearance. So difference with rough endoplasmic reticulum is the smooth appearance. It is responsible for synthesis of non-protein substances such as cholesterol and sterols. Next, Golgi apparatus or Golgi body or Golgi complex. It is membrane bound organelle involved in the processing of protein. Golgi apparatus consist of 6 to 8 flattened membrane sacs called cisternae. Next point is centrosome and centrioles. So centrosome is membrane bound cellular organelle situated almost center of cell, close to nucleus. It consists of two cylindrical structure called centrioles. Its function is centrioles are responsible for the movement of chromosome during cell division. Next, peroxisome. They are pinched off from endoplasmic reticulum and not from Golgi. That is the important point. Peroxisome is not pinched off from Golgi. Function: breakdown of excess fatty acid, detoxification of hydrogen peroxide and other metabolic products. Next is lysosome. It's membrane bound vesicular organelle. They are often called garbage system of the cell because their degradation activity. About 50 different types of hydrolytic enzyme, that is hydrolyase, are present in lysosome. Next is mitochondria. Membrane bound cytoplasmic organelle concerned with the production of energy. Energy means basically ATP, that is adenosine triphosphate. Function of energy production and synthesis of ATP, and another function is apoptosis. Ribosome are organelles without limiting membrane. they are basically two types, that is ribosome attached to rough endoplasmic reticulum, as I have already mentioned in rough endoplasmic reticulum, and next is a free ribosome distributed in the cytoplasm, that is it resides in free form in cytoplasm and function synthesis of protein. So this description is basically on animal cell. Here is a chart that showing the organelles with limiting membrane, that is endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, lysosome, peroxisome, centriole and centrosome, secondary vesicle, mitochondria, nucleus. Organelles without limiting membrane. That means this organelles have no limiting membrane outside that organelle, that is ribosome and cytoskeleton, and all our organelles are cytoplasmic